Games. We've seen the electric build large leads that evaporate and vice versa.
Ball up top, he's really flashing down. Pickett does that fake. He takes it in right at the buzzer. It is a lead. I'll give you that. So there's Pickett, though, trying to establish position. But look, the defense collapses off the triple team. Go to
not as high as 22, but they go right back to Tyshon Pickett. And he is working against Brandon Jamar. The double team comes, but it comes a little mismatch. But the ball is poked loose by Golder, and we're heading the other way. Tyshon Pickett running point. Thomas Miles tries again, gets the bucket.
He's drawing Roman Wilson out, and that leaves Bowman to do some work. He flips back to Tyshon for a three.
They go back to Pickett. He's got something to prove, going right at Brandon Jamar as he has. Kisses it off the glass.
Fence and back and forth. Probably better than any team I've seen in the league. And a behind-the-back pass there. There's Tyshon Pickett. And there's the three.
Thomas Miles at the controls, gets it to Pickett.
Dupree down to Pickett. Beats the double. There you go. Little turnaround. Fans, the super fans, and production people. And it was just like, wow, this is crazy. And going to Tyshon Pickett. Nice give and go. Oh, my goodness.
Down low. Seals off his man. Again, not a whole lot.
89 starting the fourth quarter in the battle for the first place. And, a three for Tyshon.
Nails that one, too.
Back to Dupree. Dupree inside to Pickett. Finds his man, and that is Coleman knocking down. They feed it inside to Pickett. Feeds it inside to Pickett. He's checked. Gets the kind ball to start the second half. Lyle Hexum turns it over on the opening possession. Back the other way, Tyshon Pickett to Coleman inside.
So Volcanoes down by 1, 44-43. 5:26 left in the opening half.
Need to take as much time off the clock as they can and get an easy. They go back to Pickett. He had 18 points in the first half and just lowers his shoulder.